Morning and welcome to week 27. I'm a little bit behind, but well, actually I'm not all that far behind. So I decided to deviate a little bit from my plan for my project life. One of the things that I really wanted to do was to stick to rainbow colors, but so I went through my July Stories by the Month kit from Ali Edwards for 2021, and I realized that a lot of the cards were quite dark, and there was a lot of gray and light blue. So I decided to kind of pull this together, and it worked out quite well because our Canada Day celebrations, which are July 1st, happened by the lake. So the colors just kind of all went. So that is what I'm working with. I already did my journaling. I pulled, I don't know if these are from the July kit from last year as well. They could very well be. I know I've used a few of the cork embellishments that came with some of the kits on some of my other layouts. So I decided to throw these in. And a little bit of cork here. And then I think I pulled, like, these little embellishments are from a Citrus Twist kit. And then I thought I would throw these in, mostly because I didn't really know where else to put them. And I thought that'd be kind of a pop of red for Canada Day, and that was good. I also thought maybe I might incorporate some gold. These have been in my stash for probably the better part of 7 years. So I really want to try to use at least one. I figured I'd grab some glitter cardstock so I can punch some little things. And this was also from the Stories by the Month kit. And of course the fourth isn't really what I'm going for, but I didn't know if maybe I could throw a couple of these chipboard pieces in, and my puffy hearts because I'm still working through those. Some other chipboard stickers. I pulled these because the coral and blue colors would be really nice, and I don't think I'm going to be able to use these. I feel like it's already very wordy. Probably not. I'll set those back aside. I don't think this is the layout for those. And then these are also from the Stories by the Month kit. I think these were for June, and I know these were for July. So I thought I would pull those. I don't think I'm going to have room for any of these or these, but I'll keep them close just in case. So that's where I'm at. And I'm wondering, now that I'm looking at it, I'm wondering if maybe I could use the fireworks stamp somewhere. Maybe on my title card? We shall see. We shall see. Okay. So I am going to, I might actually pull one of these and do a test. Hang tight. So I'm going to do some test stamping. This is Brilliance Moonlight White. It's a pigment ink. And I haven't had a huge amount of success with it. But I don't want anything really intense. Yeah, see? You can't see that. Well, plan B. All right, folks, give me a minute. Okay, second try. This one is Color Box ink. It's chalk ink. And I'm pretty sure this is just a Michaels ink. We'll see how this goes. Worst case scenario, I will emboss. Heat emboss, I mean. Yeah. I don't know. one, it's really subtle. I don't even know if it's going to show up on camera. I think it might be too subtle. Okay. Let me know what your favorite white ink is in the comments below. Clearly, I need to shop for another one. I did have the white StazOn ink, and I don't know if I just got a bad ink pad or what, but it didn't work either. So this one is white embossing ink pad. I think this one's probably also from Michaels. Yeah, not a whole lot of results. Okay, so I think we'll go to plan C. Sorry for the squidgy noise, but all right, I'm gonna try some white heat embossing, so I will be right back. All right, Versamark to the rescue. Pardon my dingy pad. Oh yeah, this is gonna be way better. So because this 4x6 card had the stars in the background, I thought it might be kind of fun to make it look like the fireworks. Let's see how this is. This is Wow Opaque Bright White Embossing Powder. All right, I will do a quick cleanup and then I will do a heat emboss. Is there anything more satisfying than heat embossing, really? I thought I would save you the noise from my heat gun, so enjoy. Very happy with that. All right, let's put this on my layout and I will get embellishing and see if we can get this finished before the sun comes and throws a weird shadow across my desk. This video is a little bit longer than my average video, but that heat embossing took a little longer than expected, especially with my failed white ink experience. I would love to hear from people in the comments, what is your favorite ink? And as I said earlier, do you have a favorite white ink? Because it seems like I'm going to need to go on the hunt. Especially where I print from home, my Canon selfie paper seems to be behaving very well when it comes to ink, so I may have to do some experimenting on some of my darker photos. So the cherries are going there. Very random thing to have in an embellishment pack, but as I said, I didn't have enough red on my layout, so that was all good. And I just die cut these little letters and the numbers for my title card. I did that in advance as well, just to save some time. I really like the look of the die cut letters. I tend to use the same size over and over again. This was just a little pack of dies that I got from Walmart of all places, and it was on clearance, so it was a whole alphabet for like, I think it was like $5. So it's a pretty good score. There's not a whole lot else that I end up doing to this layout. I almost forgot to add my little gold arrow and my little gold geotag, but I ended up doing that in the end. I made sure to put all of my little glitter stars on the layout. Happy with that too. Yeah, I didn't go too embellishment heavy on this one. It already felt very wordy, so I didn't want to take too much away from the pictures. Yep, there's where I almost forgot my arrow. It's a good size to go on a journal card. I'll probably duplicate that on another one just to use them up. I think that chipboard says, "Go see more stars." So I thought that was very apropos. And then just putting on the little tiny word stickers from that July Allie Edwards sticker sheet. I think at some point I pull the puffy heart stickers out and then I put them back. I didn't want to go too crazy with the stars and the hearts everywhere. I'm going to see if I can try to keep my layouts a little less busy. Yeah, this is where I look at them and I'm like, nah, I don't think I'm going to do that. So it's pretty much finished, I think. The sun is coming around. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but I'm running out of time. I'm going to put this in a page protector and I will be right back. Week 27 done. I stopped before I got too crazy with the embellishments. I like how this turned out, but I'm really starting to notice a difference in my layouts when I do title, filler, journal than when I do all of the pictures and maybe like one filler or one journal. So I'm going to have to strive for better balance moving forward. Week 27, all done. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm not really sure what theme or anything I'm going to go with. I may go back to my rainbow kit because I have all kinds of it. So, all right. Thanks for coming to hang out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.